Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to set up your net worth tracker in just a few simple steps. This template is designed to give you full control over your finances, making your finance easy to track, helps you see where your money is going, monitor your assets, investments, and debts, and track your progress toward financial freedom without a headache. And the best part, it's super simple to set up. So let's get started. When you click on download, it will take you to a PDF document with detailed instructions on how to use the template. There's also a table of contents, so you can easily jump to any topic you're interested in. I've included everything there, how to get started, tips, and financial insights to help you better understand the numbers in the dashboard. To get the template, scroll down to the Get Started section. Under Template Currency, click on Your Currency, click Make a Copy, and now you have your own template. When you first open the template, you will land on the Start Here page. I've included some quick instruction here, but if you want more detailed guidance, just head over the document. There are 4 main setup tabs, which is cash, personal assets, investments, and liabilities. You can start with any of them, but I'll begin with cash. Start with your asset name, click the drop down to choose from a list or type in your own. The system will automatically save it for future use. For date, double-click the cell and the calendar will pop up. Click today to make it easy. If your bank pays you interest, enter the amount in the interest column. If no interest was paid that month, just leave it blank. One of the most important things is making sure you update your balances correctly. Always enter the current total balance, not just new additions. For example, if you had $4,000 in your savings last month and deposited $1,000 this month, your new total is $5,000. So instead of entering just a new 1,000, you update the balance to 5,000 in this month row. If you see a pop-up message like this, always click cancel, because you may have edited the formula or structure of the template. Make sure to enter all your cash assets for the month to keep your records up to date. Next month, copy the asset name and account from the previous row and paste them into the new row. Keep the border line at the top so you always know where the last update starts. The system will automatically remind you if you forget to update an asset for the current month. If you've opened a new account, just add it like before. Let's say this month I open a joint account with my partner. I'll enter that along with the bank name and balance. Next month, I'll just copy and update it like the others. If you are managing a long list of assets and don't want to scroll all the way down, just click jump to the last row to instantly go to your last update. And if you've been tracking your finances for a while and want to look back at your performance, you can use filters to view specific assets or months. Perfect for those moments when you suddenly wonder how rich you were back then. Just don't forget to reset the filters back to normal when you're done, so everything works smoothly for your future updates. Moving on to personal assets, this includes things like your car, house, rental property, or even luxury items like bags and watches. If an asset generates passive income, like rental income, add it here. For example, if my apartment made me $500 this month, I'll put that in. So this month, someone rented my luxury bag and I made $200. Oh, and I also rented out my limousine to a celebrity for $500. Don't be jealous, guy. It's all in my imagination. If this were my real life, I'd probably skipping this page. So if you don't have any investments, personal assets, or liabilities, just leave those sections blank. So you don't need to force anything, just enter what you currently have. Once you start investing or buy an asset, you can add it in later. So moving on to investments, list everything you own, select the investment type. Again, if your investment type isn't in the default list, just type it in manually. The system will save it for next time, and if you got any dividends, log them here. For liabilities, this is where you track any debts or loans. If you have a mortgage, car loan, or credit card balance, enter the current debt amounts for each month. A lot of people ask, if I have a house loan, do I put it under personal assets or liabilities? The answer is both. For example, if your house is worth $200,000 and you have paid off $50,000, you should enter $200,000 in personal assets, $150,000 in liabilities because that's the remaining loan. Next month, you pay another $50,000, your loan goes down to $100,000. Don't forget to enter your personal asset value for the new months as $200,000 since you still own the same house. Make sure to always enter an update for your personal asset each month. Even if the value doesn't change, this keeps the system accurate and your dashboard running smoothly. Lastly, go to the Dashboard tab and enter your financial freedom number, the amount you need to retire comfortably. You can also customize the net worth milestone section. Just click on the milestone amounts and type in your own targets. The progress bars will automatically adjust to show how close you are to reaching each goal. The dashboard adjusts to any device, so feel free to resize it to fit your screen. Now let's talk about how to navigate between dashboards in this template. If you look at the top right corner, you'll see the navigation menu with the different dashboard names. Just hover over the dashboard name you want to visit and a link will pop up. Once you see it, simply click on the link and it will take you straight to that dashboard. For the multi-year dashboard, it shows your financial situation year by year, so you can easily compare your progress over time. You can also view data from a specific year by entering the year here. It will then display insights for that selected year. Hover over the graphs to see more details. If you forget to update something, you will get reminders at the top. And in case you're wondering, this number here shows the change from last month. So if it's say minus $500, your net worth dropped by $500 from the previous month. I think that covers everything. I hope this template helps you gain control over your finances and reach your goals faster. If you want to get started, the template link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.